In the previous class, we started exercise 6.4. First question was to find out the square root using division methods. Let's repeat the question again to understand the concept clearly. Let's do third part of question 1, exercise 6.4, sorry. The third part is 3, 4, 8, 1, right? Here, you have to find out square root using division method. So first step, we will make the pairs from the last digit. Then we will write down a square number under 34. कौन सा number जाएगा? It will be 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36. So 36 is greater than 34. So we'll take here 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtract it. It will be 9. Right? Take down 81. Okay, so 5 plus 5, 10. Now see on which number it will go. Remember this number and this number here जो क्वेश्चन में आएगा it should be same. 10 के साथ आपको नंबर लेना है and both these numbers should be same और multiply करने पर होना चाहिए 981. You have to choose this number and both numbers should be same. Both numbers should be same here. So which number will choose here? 9. 1 या तो हमें 1 से मिलता है. 101 into 1 is equal to 101. So we can't take it. या फिर हमें 1 आता है यूनिट डिजिट पे 9 स्क्वायर से, तो हम यहाँ 9 ले लेंगे. Right? So we will get 981. It will go 9. 981. So square root of 3481 is equal to 59. Right? Remember this number and this number should be same. Firstly, this number and this number should be same. Square number लेते हैं. फिर next में इन दोनों को add कर देते हैं. 5 plus 5 10 हो गया. उसके बाद इसका यूनिट डिजिट और इसका यूनिट सॉरी this number should be same. The next number. Right? So here you are asking about second part. Let's do the second part. Second part is 4489. Here 4489. What we will do here? First step, make the pairs from the last digits. Then 44. See, 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 49 is greater than 44. So we'll take 36 because here should be square number. हम square number लेते हैं. Like 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Now subtract 14 minus 6, 8. Take down 89. Pair will be taken here. Then 6 plus 6, 12. Now again, the number this and this should be same. Like you are to multiply the numbers with 12 will be here. You have to find out this unit digit and this number in the quotient so that you can multiply and you get 889. Right? It will go on 7. This both numbers should be same. So 127 into 7 is equal to 889. That means square root of 4489 is equal to 67. Right? Let's try one more to clear the concept. Next is fifth part 3249. Sorry, fourth part 529. Here we are having 3 digits. So इसमें भी same करेंगे. We'll make the pairs from the last one. Right? So here only 5 left. So 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square, 9. Which square number will be taken under 5? 4. Because 9 is greater, 4 is less than 5. So we'll take here 4. That is, we'll take like 2. 2s are 4. The next step, subtract it. 1. The next step, take down the next pair, which is 29. The next, add this 2 plus 2, 4. The next, you have to choose this number. And both these numbers should be same. So like you are to multiply and your answer should be 129 such that this number and this number should be same. So what will be here? It should be 3. When you will multiply 43 by 3, you will get 129. So it will go on 3, 129, and your answer will be 23. Square root of 529 is equal to 23. Right? So can you complete this question now? Let's try one more. Let's take the number 2401. Okay, let's take the number 2401. Right, you have to find out its square root using division method. So let's see here. Make the pairs. सबसे पहला स्टेप हमारा होता है पेयर्स बनाना. फ्रॉम द बैक हम यहाँ से पीछे से पेयर्स बनाते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है जैसे नॉर्मल सिंपल डिवाइड करते हैं, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें हम पेयर्स को लेते हैं. तो 20 इसमें हम स्क्वायर नंबर लेते हैं. 24 के नीचे स्क्वायर नंबर आना चाहिए. राइट, इट विल गो, यू कैन सी हियर इट्स 24. तो 24 के नीचे कौन सा स्क्वायर नंबर आएगा? विच स्क्वायर नंबर विल बी हियर? 24. It's 24. 4, yes, 4 4s are 16. It will be 4 4s are 16. Right? Then what we will do here? We will subtract here 8 remainder. Then we will take down 0 1 here. Next step होता है इसमें हम पेयर में नीचे लेते हैं. जैसे हम नॉर्मल डिवीजन में सिंगल नंबर लेते हैं, इसमें हम पेयर में लेते हैं. राइट, so after this 4 plus 4 16. 4 plus 4 16, and then next step will be this number and this number should be same. You have to find out this number and the multiply should be 801. So we have to choose this number. What number this should be? What number this should be? 8. 4. Okay, sorry. 4 plus 4 is 8 here. It should be 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 here. And there's this number and this number should be same. You have to find out this number and it should be 801. I believe it will be 9. 9 9s are 81. 8, 9 into 8, 72 plus 8, 80. So we can write down here 9. That means square root of 2401 is 49. Okay, you are asking for 1369. Okay. 1369. So it's like 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25. Check here. Which number should be here? Here. You can see here 13 is here. So 13 ke under which number we can take here? 9, because 16 is greater. So take 9 here. It should be 3 into 3. It should be a square number. This number and this number should be same. जो आप डिवाइजर में ले रहे हैं और जो आप क्वेश्चन में ले रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी सेम. 3 3 is 9. 13 minus 9, 4. Take down 69. 3 plus 3, 6. Now again you will choose this number with the 6. It will go on. किस नंबर पे जाएगा ये? Check it. This number and this number should be same, and multiply should be 469. Either it can be 3 or it can be 7. Let's check on 7. Right? 7 sevens are 49. 4 7 2 6 42. 4 469. It's right. So we'll write down here 7. That means square root of 1369 is equal to 37. Okay? Any other? Let's do second question now. Second question is find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. What you are to tell here, find the number of digits. आपको number of digits बताने हैं. Square root in the square root of the given number, like 64 is given, you are to tell square root of 64 में कितने digits होंगे, but without calculation. अगर आप calculation से बताएं तो square root of 64 is 8 और 8 इसमें कितने digit है? 1 digit, right? But you are to tell without calculation. So how to do this? There is a formula to find it out. In square root, if there are even number of digits, then directly divided by 2, you will get the number of digits, right? If there are odd number of digits, then we will add 1 and then we will divide it by 2 and then you will get the number of digits. For example, 64 here we have given. So आपको बताना है square root of 64 में कितने digit होंगे. So how many digits are in this number? 2. Divide by 2 by 2 is equal to 1. That is, in square root of 64 there will be 1 digit. Next it's given 144. 144 में कितने digits हैं? 3. 3 is odd. Add 1 in this and then divide by 2. 4 by 2. It means there are 2 digits, right? Then next 4489. How many digits are here? 4. It's even. Directly divide by 2. That is 2 digits, right? Next 27225. 27225. How many digits? 5. Odd. Then add 1 in this. Divide by 2. 6 by 2. There will be 3 digits, right? Any query here? Next question is question 3. Find the square root of following decimal numbers. First is 2.56. Here you are to find out the square root of decimal numbers. As you have done the division of decimal numbers, same here we are going to do the division of square numbers, right? हम square numbers का division करेंगे with the same method. इसमें क्या करते हैं कि डेसिमल से बाद जो भी नंबर है उनके अलग पेयर्स बनते हैं और डेसिमल से पहले नंबर्स के अलग पेयर बनते हैं, राइट? डेसिमल से पहले आपके पास है 2. So how will you do it? It will go on one square number because 2 2s are 4. So 4 will not, next square number is 4. 4 नहीं जाएगा. So we'll take 1. 1 पे जाएगा. Then remainder 1. फिर क्या आ गया, डेसिमल, पुट डेसिमल इन द क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, टेक डाउन 56. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप 56 ले लेंगे. एंड देन 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now with the same method you will check this number and this number should be same, and its multiplied should be 156. So what can this number be? It can be either 4 or 6. 6 पे check करते हैं. It will be 6 into 6 36. Yes, 26 into 6 will be 156, right? So like this way we can do this question. Yes, answer will be 1.6. It will go on 6. So answer will be 1.6 here. Next is let's try one more. It's 7.29. 7.29. Again, 29 is a even pair, 7 is single. So here 7 के नीचे कौन सा स्क्वायर नंबर जाएगा? Which square number will be under 7? It's 7.29. So 29 will be the pair and 7 will be the single number because there is decimal. So 7 के नीचे कौन सा square number जाएगा? It will be 4, right? Because 9 is greater than 7. So we can take here 4. 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Now there is decimal, so we'll put decimal in the quotient. Then we'll take down 29. 2 plus 2, 4. Now again this number and this number should be same, right? Okay. So here it will go on. Let's check it. Either it can be the number 3 or it can be the number 4 on which this will go. So we can take here 7, right? On 7 it will go. So the answer will be 2.7 here. Let's do one more, 51.84. Last we are going to do, next rest will you will try yourself. Next is 184. So there is decimal. Before decimal we make different pairs. After decimal we make different pairs. After decimal हम start करते हैं आगे से और before decimal हम पीछे से start करते हैं. ठीक है? So here 51 के नीचे 7, 7s are 49, right? Remainder 2. Then again decimal, take down 84. 7 plus 7, 14. Again you are to find out this number, which should be it will be 2. 144 twos, 142 twos are 284. So the square root of 51.84 is 7.2. Now your homework is to complete this first, second and third question of exercise 6.4.